Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter number 13, Visualizing Solid Shapes Representing 3D and 2D. So, students, first we study the introduction. Many shapes and solids like almirah, table, book, all around in your environment. Your home, books, building, school, playground, etc. All are the examples of the different shapes. Now, we will study about two terms. One is solids and other is shapes. What is the meaning of solids and shapes? So students, first we study about solid. A solid is a 3D shape. It has three dimensions: length, breadth and height. Whereas there are some common plane shapes or flat shapes that can easily be drawn on a paper. They have only two dimensions, length and breadth. For example, rectangle, square, trapezium, etc. These are the 2D flat shapes. Okay students, now here it is given two shapes. uh, One is 3D shapes and other is 2D shapes. So first you have to clear about these two definitions. Now we will study about triangular pyramid, rectangular pyramid, square pyramid, triangular prism, rectangular prism, cuboid and cube. Okay, so first we study about what is a prism. A prism is formed by two parallel congruent polygonal faces called bases connected by faces that are parallelograms. For example, cube, cuboid, triangular prism, pentagonal prism, etc. The shapes of the base decides the name of the prism. For example, in the figure, here the base is triangular in shape, so this is triangular prism. Here the base is pentagonal in shape, so it is pentagonal prism. Here the base is square in shape, so it is square prism. Here the base is triangular in shape, so it is triangular pyramid. Okay students, now we study what is a pyramid. Here we study a triangular pyramid, so we study about what is a pyramid. A pyramid is formed by a polygon base and triangular faces. जो pyramid है उसका base कैसा है, polygon है, and faces are of triangular in shape that meet at a common vertex, that have a common vertex. Here we see in the figure, here it is a common vertex, this is a common vertex. Now name of the base decides the name of the pyramid. Here the base is square, so it is square pyramid. The base is triangular, so it is triangular pyramid. Now we study about three solids. One is cylinder, other is cone and third one is sphere. First we study about cylinder. In cylinder the base is circular in shape, and here this is a solid like pipe like shape and circular pattern. This is in circular pattern. A cylinder has two parallel flat congruent faces that are circle. One circle is down at the cylinder and other circle is up at the cylinder. It has one curved face and two curved edges. A cylinder does not have a vertex. Vertex actually means where the two sides are meet, and here no one side is meet, and so therefore it has no vertex. Now we study about cones. A cone has one base, that is a circle. It has one flat face, one vertex, one curved edge and a curved face. So it has a one flat base, one vertex, one curved edge and a curved face. Now we study about sphere. Here you see the cone. Cone has one vertex, one flat base that is in circular shape, and one curved edge and a curved face. Now we study what is a sphere. A sphere has neither a vertex nor an edge. A sphere has neither a vertex. That means a sphere has not has any corner, and it has only a curved surface. Now we study some example of plane shapes like square, rectangle, triangle, circle, quadrilateral. Good morning students. Now it's time to do some activities. It's a cone. Actually, it's a birthday cap which is in shape of a cone. See. Now we study about the cone. A cone has one base. That is the base of a cone, which is circular in shape. So a cone has one base which is circular in shape and one vertex. This is the vertex of cone. See, this is the vertex of cone and a curved edge. This is one curved edge. See, one curved edge. So a cone has one curved edge, one vertex and one flat base which is in circular in shape. Okay student, now it's time to study about the cylinder. We take a plain rectangular sheet and we fold it like this, and here we make a cylindrical shape. See, this is a cylindrical shape. Now a cylinder has two parallel surfaces, one that is circular in shape, one is above the cylinder and second is below the cylinder. These are the two parallel circular faces of the cylinder, and it also has one curved face. This is one curved face. See, this is one curved face of the cylinder. A cylinder does not have any vertex. See, it does not have any vertex. Okay students, now we study about the sphere. This is a ball which is spherical in shape. See, this is a ball which is spherical in shape. A sphere has neither a vertex and nor an edge. It has neither a vertex nor an edge. It has only a curved surface. It has only a curved surface.